Hello everyone, welcome back to Software Codes, and this is Khushbakht. Today we are going to learn how you can import the images in your app. So there are multiple methods, but today I'm going to discuss only two. So this is our simple app. Let me run it. And that's it. Okay, it has simple app bar and body having no widget. So what we are going to do, we will type container and it's giving me error. Maybe the child is missing or spellings are incorrect. Spellings are correct, maybe the child is missing. Okay, so we will add child and image dot network, and that's it. But it's still giving okay. I have to remove the constant, and this is in this parenthesis we will add the URL. For URL of image, you have to open your Google and type image. I want to type a Flutter image, and that's it. Come here, select any of the image and come here, copy the address, okay, and paste it in the commas and run it, and it's giving, maybe it has took time to load. Yeah, so there is our image. So you, with this method, you can import the image from the internet. Now if I want to add the image from my system, so just copy the image and come here. In the main project, you have to create another directory with the name of assets, and that's it. And another directory, it will contain images, and that's it. We are done. And just paste your image inside that images directory. Okay, now we have to go to pubspec.yaml, and here we have to add our assets. We have to declare it here. So there is assets already mentioned, and I have to just remove the comments, and instead of images I have a directory of assets, and I will remove this one as well, and we are done. Pubget, and that's it. Okay, it's giving error. Yeah, actually basically there are multiple reason, but this pubspec.yaml is very sensitive related to the spaces, so I have just copy pasted there, and let's check, and we are done. Okay, so now what we have to do, we will go again to our main file and get dependencies, and that's it. Okay, so I have declared another container. I have took another container widget, and in this child I am gonna take image.asset. Okay, and in this I am gonna mention the path of my image. So the path was assets slash images slash and flutter.png, and we are done with it. That's it. Okay, and let me run it. And where is my app? It's here. Oh, it's giving me error. So what I have to do, I have to just hot reload it. So today we have learned the two methods of importing the images in your application. Just remove the spaces, and this is our app. And if you have any question in this lecture, ask in the comment box. Thank you.